So Smriti has asked if she can use Elixir and Radiant together, as in use Elixir as pre-poo and Radiant for daily scalp massage, and will that and without washing off the Radiant every day, and will that promote hair growth? And the answer is yes. That is how I use the oils on a regular basis. Like you can see, my hair is in good definition, so I will just use the Radiant for scalp massage like this. And oh my god, this feels so good. The Radiant smells awesome, and I also apply on my hair length. So you can see how long my hair has grown. I apply on my hair length to give it a little bit of moisture, and this will also avoid split ends, because if you apply oil on the ends, this will not get worn out because of the frizz, everyday frizz. And Elixir can be used as pre-poo. So Radiant is your daily scalp massage oil and Elixir is your pre-poo. And for more such questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I will make more such reels which will be easy to understand and quick to follow. Ta-da!